is a good map, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I get in my airplane.
I'm in my own airplane, sir.
RKO!
Jesus Christ, fuck off.
Oh, you think you can outrun me, eh? Oh, shoot that guy. Oh, fuck!
Oh my god.
Oh, he got RKO'd. He got RKO'd hard.
What just happened there?
What fucking map is this?
St. Quentin's, dumbass.
Do you have a rear gunner?
I do not.
Okay, I'll get it. And then I will critique your, Hey, get the fuck out! I wanted to get in.
Kill yourself.
Jesus Christ.
You're not even gonna shoot that guy down now, are you?
Probably
You
not.
managed to do that.
Okay, PB, how do you manage to be that fucking terrible?
Okay, PB is forever banned from rear gunning.
It was fucking reloading.
Yeah, the rear gun on the planes is like broken as fuck.
No,
It's so
he
easy to
managed-
shoot down other aircraft with it when they're chasing you.
Okay,
It's
here-
so goddamn easy.
He managed to get it down to 67 health. I'm serious. I
He
think
was doing fucking rolls and shit.
I really think you might be subhuman.
Did you even try evasive maneuvers though?
Don't fucking give away my position to this
They got
tank,
2 heavy
fucking
tanks up
assholes.
there on the hill.
Yeah, you go kill it. You go kill it, you fucking dumb cunt.
Alright, PB, redeem yourself.
I don't know why that guy didn't kill me.
He's dumb.
Hey, why don't you kill it?
Frog boots. What kind of gas name is that?
This is gay as queer babe.
I resent that. I didn't choose this name. This name was given to me. Like all good names.
Wasn't it originally Georgia Queerbait?
No.
Oh, that's right.
It was
I
G.A.
haven't.
Thrawn.
That was you?
Yeah. Well,
I
no,
think
I
we talked
stole it
about
from
this
that
before,
guy.
I just can't remember.
And then I became G.A. Thrawn 2.0.
Perpetual existence of shit.
Didn't he quit 4chan after he stole his trip because if he couldn't be a snowflake,
No,
he
he's
couldn't
Arctic
give a fuck
Fox.
anymore?
And then he went
He
to,
got arrested.
Yeah, he went and shot niggers. He got arrested for it. But he's an
I didn't know
outlaw.
that's a crime.
Oh, it's Jughead P. Jones, that guy.
But he
We
was
seem to be running into
detained.
this guy a lot.
He didn't get convicted of anything.
He's out actually. All of them
Yeah, I
but
know.
one are out now. The WASD guy, you know,
Who?
he's been here before.
Oh.
Behind you,
Okay.
PB.
Yeah, he's going to have to go to court with farm.
Court for what?
He's going to be testifying
Testifying
please.
against-
regarding
PB.
whoever
You
the
get
one
on
that
fire.
that didn't get out.
That's not my problem.
PB, you revived me in fire, and not only that, but my gun didn't work. I'm blaming that entirely on you.
I would blame Dice.
I mean, you're the guy who can't shoot down an airplane with the most easiest bullshit fucking rear gun in any game ever.
That was
He really is terrible. I was flying in a straight line, and he,
He
still
was-
couldn't.
he
That's
was
partially
below
your
us.
problem too.
Yeah, you fucking
I mean, if
terrible
I was
pilot.
flying, I could have outmaneuvered that guy.
You should have told him to roll or something.
His job.
What, to know when you need an angle to fucking shoot?
To evade.
God damn.
Ow.
Wow, that guy's Automatico magazine was pretty fucking deep.
They only
What
killed
the
us.
fuck?
How about we try something easier, like D?
We need to shoot down their planes.
Maybe take out the tanks, too.
Oh, no one's on the AA, no wonder.
You should have bailed and let PB die.
PB's already dead inside.
I mean, that's what I did when you left me.
Jesus Christ, we got 2 on our ass, man. We're fucked.
Fly them over F.
We're dead. We're not gonna make it. Oh, we made it.
Ow. Fucking Negroes. Why do they have to make the snipers the most ugliest fucking black people in the world? Because it just makes
Alright,
it
well,
that
take
much
out
more
one of the
infuriating.
airplanes.
Yeah, one of the airplanes is gone.
Outstanding.
What are you doing here, Gordon?
Me? Looking for crack.
There we go. Are they just letting us have this?
I guess.
Oh, the triplane is trying
there's
to
a guy.
dart me.
I see.
Oh.
I could not hit him. Is someone
Ow.
shooting at us by chance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow.
And kill him.
Someone is shooting at us.
Hey, guns.
I'm sorry.
Where's their enemy? Where's the other plane that they have?
Dynamic entry, go.
Fiery crash. You mean dynamic entry? Let's see, go to your right.
PB, if you ever get tailed by the guy, bring him over F.
Alright.
Oh, get fucked, horse faggot. Wait, why the hell is that guy black? Why is their cavalry guy
I think
black?
it like considers them a scout. Like the game uses the scout model and then puts the chest plate on them.
But he's got a pistol ball too.
Well,
Which, you know, wasn't in use in 1918, but whatever.
yeah, well neither was fucking cavalry, so...
What?
I said neither was cavalry, so get over it.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. Neither were black people too, but whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought they got rid of those in 1864.
Unfortunately, well, you know how it goes.
Yeah, we freed him and then we didn't deport him. Huge mistake.
Lincoln wanted to, but then, you know, Booth did his thing.
Then there was that whole fucking Liberia debacle.
You mean Booth actually fucked it up for all of us?
Booth fucked up all of America forever.
Get us out of here, shithead.
I'm so glad they shot him, didn't even give him a trial.
I like how he's the reason why the South is so shit now. And he did it because he was butthurt that it got disgraced.
Lincoln was a huge fucking shitbag. He created a new fucking state, then arrested anyone who didn't fucking vote for him. Like, he used the army to do all that.
You're not supposed
Created
to...
West Virginia out of the fucking blue.
Oh, where do you live?
Fucking Ohio.
Oh, why do you care then?
Because that's still shady fucking presidenting.
You're not supposed to think of that. You're just supposed to know that he freed the slaves, and that's all you should care about.
Thanks, Obama. And I mean, more than anything, he was just a fucking railroad baron paying back his railroad buddies for getting him into office.
I didn't have any real railroad connections. Shitload illegal, though.
Thought he was a huge fucking railroad baron.
No.
Like,
No,
not
he won't.
necessarily an owner, but like a huge player in the industry.
He commissioned the Transcontinental Railroad. Outside of that,
2 ahead of us.
Yep.
What? This isn't real.
I've lost him.
I'm talking about on the ground.
I'm not worried about the shit on the ground.
Why not?
Because I'm your rear fucking
We're
gunner,
losing
dude.
E.
I'm here to keep you alive.
I'm
As long
going
as you
to
don't
E.
fly me into a fucking tree.
We're losing everything. We're
I
not
thought
holding
trees
it.
were on the ground. How does he keep fucking hitting them?
Dive bombing, man.
I mean, I used to do it a lot. First time I was flying airplanes. You just go into a deep dive, and then you think you can pull out, and then there's a tree in the way.
Exactly.
Oh, and the flagpoles.
oh my god, you
Fucking
fucking
flagpoles.
asshole.
What?
Alright, we got an attack plane coming back around on us.
Bring him over F.
Alright, yes, they're flying over F. Correction, that's 2 of them. 2 of them on our ass.
Goody.
And one of them broke off.
Who's getting shot down there?
Shit, there's a fighter here that's going to be coming from here.
Hide inside of your own prison. You're acting like you haven't been training for it for years.
You see the chat, Milser, dude?
The what? What's it saying?
We've got to capture the
Dude camping on the AA gun.
He sounds a little bit salty.
He's not on the enemy team. What the fuck?
Well, there is one guy camping.
Gordon, did you leave me?
I don't.
Oh, man. Now they're all
Rip.
coming.
Neck yourself.
enemy machine gun.
Oh, fuck.
I guess I'm going to B.
I was there until you left me. You know, by dying.
I died because
Yeah,
they
tank.
blew
That's-
me up.
That's no excuse, okay? I survived for so much longer.
They threw like 3 frag grenades at me.
Well, whose fault is that, huh?
Probably yours for not covering me.
I was
Oh,
covering
get
you.
him, get him, get him!
I turned my back for a second and you died.
Now revive me, please. Thank you. I'm hoping that pisses him off.
I'm really glad that I died because there's just a guy hanging out with an AT rocket gun waiting for someone to walk past his fucking corner so he could shoot them with it.
Man, this guy has an autistic fucking emblem.
What is it?
It's just a bunch of random icons just arranged in rows.
Yeah, I saw that.
Which one? Which guy is it?
I Didn't pay attention to his name at all. I usually don't pay attention to names.
And how do you know who to rage against?
Well, sometimes I remember names.
Can we please get some AA that doesn't hurt?
BB, get ready to revive me.
Alright.
Because this guy's back up in the air, and I'm sure he's not happy with me. Oh, he's sniping. Oh, yeah. As soon as I say that. Are you there? PB?
I can't get you.
What?
Why?
Who the fuck took my
That
kit?
Jughead P. Jones guy is just shooting people with the AT rocket.
Oh man, some
A
fucking
man of
pilot
my-
or tanker took my kit.
Milster, dude, you started this fucking AIDS revolution, and I hope I.
What?
Look lively! Enemy shot!
You heard me.
What age revolution?
The one with fucking AT rocket guns being used on infantry.
Oh my god! Oh, I keep forgetting I don't have the Model 10A. We need help at F, bad. The Winchester 97.
Help it up. Need
There's
help.
three
Help
of
at
them.
F.
Yeah, what kind of fuck did the moment
God, I hate how inaccurate fucking medic rifles are. You know, fucking recoil's all fine and dandy. Just fucking make it shoot where I point it.
I think suppression is kind of imaginary.
And it sure as hell works on me.
Yeah, it only works on me. It doesn't work on the other fucking team.
Wait, I can heal
Take
myself.
that first aid.
Oops, just accidentally that capture attempt.
The whole capture attempt?
Your
The
coordinates.
whole
No.
capture attempt, man.
Kill them, queerbait. Kill them all.
Is he still alive?
It's saying that you're a nearby medic when you're
Oh,
queerbait,
oh, what
I'm
the
kinda
fuck?
confused.
Cause some asshole who had picked up my kit and left me with a tanker kit and I got revived. So I just picked up a medic kit. I mean, he had a pretty good loadout. It was a Mondragoon sniper with a trash pistol.
What pistol?
The trash pistol. The Bowser
know what
1914,
that-
but they don't call it that.
Ah.
So it looks like trash pistol.
Ooh, I bet he's gonna be mad.
Seeing the shot.
I'm really tired of the 1,000 fucking snipers on that hill. I'm gonna start sniping just like I know.
Oh man, what the fuck? Can people please, for the love of God, stop spawning on dead people? Why is it such a hard fucking thing to code? It's because of that stupid fucking delay in zoom in when you spawn.
You think that's what it is?
Yeah. And that's why you spawn on dead people.
Come on, Beanosh, get back in your plane. That's what you're waiting for.
I just did 99 damage to a guy and I'm kinda fucking salty.
With the Lewis gun?
No, with the fucking Springfield is.
Oh, well. He's just a little bit outside of your range. I did 87 damage to a guy.
I swear though, the fucking like sweet spot distances are never fucking consistent for me.
Well, if you hit their arm, then it does less damage. So you gotta hit them in the upper torso, like straight on. Because you hit their arm from the side, it doesn't matter. It does the arm damage. It's a huge problem.
Dice actually retarded.
Yeah. Seems like it.
That guy knew
See, now,
exactly where I was.
I just got killed by someone in the
What?
fucking
BB, I
house.
need you to save me from
To
this
their side.
fucking plane.
My fucking side to them.
We got 2 on our ass. You need to start maneuver, man.
I'm trying to get back
User
at
joined your
F.
channel.
Bring him over to F.
Who the fuck
you,
just
2B.
joined?
User left your channel.
Who the fuck let him in?
Who was it?
Red, how the fuck did you get in?
It probably just started fucking thing. It's 1488,
I would
right?
jump out.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Wheelser dude let us down.
Oh, you know what? Big Cat stole him.
Big Cats is a fucking heretic.
No, I wanted you to switch to the goddamn fucking pistol. Jesus Christ. Oh wow, how many planes do they have up now?
I saved you.
Come on!
They had 3 whenever I was last alive.
And you, Kirby.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they nuked the AA position. The only surprising thing is that they didn't try it before.
Try what?
Destroying the AA positions.
Oh. Are they gone?
Yeah.
That's annoying.
Unfortunately, the ones at the home.
What?
Anti-tanker, watch out!
Said unfortunately, the ones at the, at the spawn point are still up.
Oh, that's fucking gay. Oh, cool.
Did my game just crash?
Did it?
What the fuck? A fucking DirectX error? Ever since the fucking patch, I keep getting fucking DirectX errors.
DirectX errors.
Stop playing on a toaster.
My computer's better than yours, bitch.
Damn.
It probably is.
Yeah, but Gordon, he's not crashing.
I guess he's stolen enough oxygen to become a fucking god.
Dude, you got a fighter on your tail, it looks like. Bring him over the main base. Lower, if you would.
I'm dead.
Oh my god. Ha! He's in our main base and now he gets to die.
The AA is up at F now.
Okay, I'll get on it.
I need to check for fucking graphics drivers now. I think it keeps force crashing my game so it can be drivers.
Ammunition for you!
2 days old. Hopefully it doesn't make me restart my fucking computer.
Fine, you say it. They're doing a good job of flying away from the AA guns. Shit.
Yeah, it's not hard to stay away from them now that they nerf the range so much. You really have to be smart about it to shoot down airplanes. That means don't open up until they're like right over you.
Oops.
Jesus, people.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I made it.
Nice.
I need help though.
Where are you?
Here.
Go in the other room and there's some.
I fucking hate gas.
The ammo's got your name on it.
Oh. That's where it was hiding. Are we actually gonna win this?
No.
Nope. Oh, heavy machine gun. Oh, it's a pilot. Oh, he was going to that.
And there goes Beanosh again.
Who's breathing into their microphone?
My?
Is that a ban?